Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Hungarian chicken paprikash. It's a gluten-free recipe, but you can use any type of flour you like. Here are what we need. 2 tablespoons of oil, half kilogram chicken, 2 onions, 4 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, 1 large tomato, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, salt, pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 1 tablespoon of flour. As a first step, chop onion into small pieces. Then we chop the garlic. Leave 1 garlic clove in whole. Then you can add it to the sauce. We dice tomato and paprika. The preparation process has finished. Before we continue, please don't forget to like my video. I appreciate you watching, and your feedback is really important for me. If you tried my recipe, I'm really interested how did you like it. You can share it with me in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the button. Thank you very much. We heat up oil and fry onion until it's soft. Add garlic and fry it for another minute. Now we lower the heat so the paprika won't burn. Add sweet paprika and chicken. Fry it about 8 minutes to deepen the flavor, then add salt, pepper and cumin. Mix it well. Add diced tomato and paprika. Fry it until it's soft, then cover it with water. Put the lid and cook it until everything is soft. Usually it takes 15 minutes to 1 hour. To thicken the sauce, we need to mix corn flour and sour cream. Mix it properly and set aside. After 50 minutes, the meat is ready. Take some liquid out of it and add to the corn mixture and mix it until it's smooth. It is an important step to make so the sauce won't be knotty. Now we add it to the meat, bring it to boil and add some extra salt if it's needed. Usually we serve it with homemade pasta called gnocchi. I will show you in my future videos. However, today I cook pasta to serve it. My father always eat it with pickled cucumber. It might sound strange for you, but it makes it even more flavorful. Enjoy it! You can find some links for kitchen equipment in the description below. If you are interested, check them out. Thank you for watching. Bon appétit! Jó étvágyat kívánok!